Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's session. I'm Dr. S.K. Singh, and I'm delighted to be here with you. Today, we'll be discussing the AYUSH certification requirements for herbal manufacturing. In this presentation, we'll cover the essential guidelines and procedures you need to know to ensure compliance. We'll go through the key steps involved in certifying herbal products under AYUSH. So, let's get started and explore this important topic together. Let's talk about AYUSH certification. This certification is really important because it ensures that herbal and AYUSH products are manufactured to meet strict quality standards. It's like a quality seal that guarantees safety and consistency. The certification is based on guidelines set by the Ministry of AYUSH, which is part of the Government of India. These guidelines help regulate the entire process, from sourcing raw materials to final packaging. By adhering to these standards, manufacturers can ensure their products are safe for consumers and effective. This certification is a key part of maintaining trust in herbal and AYUSH products, especially as they gain more popularity worldwide. Overall, it supports the broader goal of promoting safe, reliable, and high-quality traditional medicine. Let's start by understanding the importance of having a valid AYUSH manufacturing license. This license, whether it's Form 25D or Form 25E, is issued by the state licensing authority and ensures that the manufacturing unit complies with all necessary regulations. Next, each product formulation, whether it's classical or proprietary, requires specific product approval. This step is crucial because it confirms that each formulation meets safety and efficacy standards before it reaches the market. Additionally, site registration under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act of 1940 and the Rules of 1945 is a key regulatory requirement. This registration validates that the manufacturing site complies with the prescribed standards and is authorized to produce AYUSH products. Overall, these regulatory requirements, licensing, product approval, and site registration, are the backbone of ensuring quality, safety, and compliance in AYUSH manufacturing. They help maintain trust in our products and align with the broader goal of safeguarding public health. Let's discuss the importance of dedicated manufacturing areas for different dosage forms. By having separate spaces for powders, tablets, syrups, and ointments, we minimize the risk of cross-contamination and ensure each product is handled in an environment optimized for its specific needs. It's also crucial that our premises are hygienic and GMP compliant, meaning they adhere to strict standards for cleanliness, ventilation, lighting, and drainage. This helps maintain product quality and safety throughout the manufacturing process. Segregation plays a vital role here as well, preventing any cross-contamination between different products or batches, which is essential for patient safety and regulatory compliance. Furthermore, we need adequate storage areas, not just for raw materials and packing supplies, but also for finished goods and rejected products. Proper storage conditions safeguard the integrity of all materials and finished products, ensuring they meet quality standards before reaching the consumer. All these facility and infrastructure requirements are fundamental to creating a safe, efficient, and compliant manufacturing environment, aligning with our overall goal of producing high-quality pharmaceutical products. When it comes to equipment, it's essential that we have qualified and calibrated tools for each dosage form. This means that every piece of equipment must meet strict standards to ensure accuracy and consistency in our processes. Proper calibration is key because it guarantees that measurements are precise, which directly impacts the quality of our final product. Additionally, implementing a preventive maintenance plan is vital. Regular maintenance helps us catch potential issues early, reducing downtime and preventing costly failures. It's all about keeping our equipment in optimal condition so that our manufacturing remains reliable and efficient. Cleaning and sanitation systems are equally important. They ensure that our equipment stays clean and free from contamination, safeguarding the safety and integrity of our products. Proper cleaning protocols are part of a broader quality system that supports compliance and continuous improvement. Overall, these equipment requirements, qualification, calibration, maintenance, and cleaning, are the backbone of a robust manufacturing process. They help us maintain high-quality standards and ensure our products are safe and effective for consumers. When it comes to testing, we can use either an in-house lab or an approved external lab, depending on what's most efficient and reliable for our needs. The key point here is ensuring our products meet strict quality standards. We test for several critical factors, starting with identity, purity, and strength. This helps us confirm that the product is what it claims to be, free from contaminants, and has the right potency. Next, microbial load testing is essential to ensure there are no harmful bacteria or fungi that could compromise safety. We also check for heavy metals, as these can pose serious health risks if present in high levels. Pesticides and aflatoxins are another focus. These toxins can contaminate herbal products and need to be thoroughly screened out. For standardized herbal extracts, it's important to verify consistency and potency across batches. We also use reference standards and follow strict analytical testing protocols to maintain accuracy and reliability in our results. All of these tests are conducted within our quality control laboratory, which plays a vital role in maintaining the integrity and safety of our products. Ultimately, rigorous testing ensures that every product we offer is safe, effective, and of the highest quality, aligning perfectly with our overall commitment to excellence. Let's now take a look at the key documentation involved in good manufacturing practice, or GMP. First, we have batch manufacturing records, or BMR. These records are crucial because they provide a detailed account of each batch produced, ensuring traceability and consistency. Alongside that, we have batch packaging records, or BPR, which document every step of the packaging process, helping us maintain quality and compliance. It's also essential to have standard operating procedures, or SOPs, for all operations. SOPs serve as the backbone of consistent practices across the manufacturing process, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Equipment cleaning and calibration records are equally important. They verify that our equipment is properly maintained and functioning correctly, which directly impacts product quality. We also need detailed specifications for raw materials and finished goods. These specifications define the quality criteria our inputs and outputs must meet. When applicable, stability study data is included to demonstrate how the product maintains its quality over time under various conditions. All of these elements, these records and documentation, are fundamental to GMP. They ensure transparency, accountability, and most importantly, the safety and efficacy of the products we produce. Keeping comprehensive records not only helps us stay compliant, but also supports continuous improvement and trust in our manufacturing process. Now, let's look at some of the key elements that ensure the quality and safety of our raw materials. First, we have the approved suppliers list. This list is crucial because it helps us verify that we're sourcing from reliable and consistent sources, maintaining our standards across the board. Next, botanical identity verification is vital. We need to confirm that the plant materials are correctly identified to avoid any mix-ups or contamination. This step is essential for ensuring the integrity of our products. Moving on, the acceptance criteria and testing protocols are the benchmarks we use to determine whether the raw materials meet our quality standards. These protocols include specific tests to check purity, potency, and safety before approval. Storage under controlled conditions is another critical aspect. Proper storage, such as temperature, humidity, and light control, preserves the quality of the raw materials and prevents degradation over time. Finally, raw material control is about maintaining strict oversight throughout the entire process. From sourcing to storage, each step is monitored to ensure consistency, safety, and compliance with our quality standards. All these points connect back to our overarching goal: delivering safe, effective, and high-quality products to our customers. Let's take a closer look at the importance of qualified technical staff in our operations. First, we have the production manager, who holds a degree in Ayurveda or pharmacy. This ensures they have the necessary expertise to oversee production processes effectively. Next, our QC chemist or analyst is typically qualified with a BSc or MSc in chemistry or biology, which is crucial for maintaining quality standards and conducting accurate analyses. We also emphasize the importance of ongoing training programs and competency evaluations. This helps ensure our staff stay updated with the latest practices and standards, maintaining high levels of performance and quality. Additionally, the health and hygiene of our workers are vital, not only for their well-being, but also to ensure the safety and purity of our products. Finally, personnel requirements are carefully defined to support our overall quality assurance framework. Every team member plays a key role in upholding the integrity of our manufacturing process, aligning with our commitment to excellence in this industry. As per Schedule T of the Drugs and Cosmetics Rules, there are several critical aspects we need to focus on to ensure quality and compliance. First, sanitation and hygiene are fundamental. Maintaining a clean environment helps prevent contamination and ensures the safety of our products. Waste disposal is equally important. Proper handling and disposal of waste protect both the environment and the integrity of our manufacturing process. Process validation is another key point. It involves confirming that our manufacturing processes consistently produce products meeting quality standards. Line clearance is a vital step before starting production, ensuring that the equipment and environment are free from any residues or contaminants from previous batches. In-process quality checks are conducted throughout production to catch and correct issues early, maintaining high standards. Water purification system validation is also essential because water is often a critical raw material. We need to ensure our purification systems are functioning correctly, providing safe, high-quality water for manufacturing. Lastly, good manufacturing practices, or GMP compliance, ties everything together. Following GMP guidelines ensures our entire operation adheres to the highest standards, ultimately safeguarding patient health and product efficacy. All these points collectively reinforce the importance of maintaining strict quality control and compliance in our manufacturing processes, aligning with the overall goal of delivering safe, effective medicines. Now, let's talk about the key requirements for AYUSH labeling rules. First and foremost, the product name must be clearly displayed. This helps ensure that consumers can easily identify the product they are using. Next, the batch number is essential for traceability, so if there are any issues, we can track back to specific production details. The manufacturing and expiry dates are also crucial. They inform users about the shelf life and safety of the product. Moving on, the label must include the recommended dosage and indications, so users understand how to use the product properly and what health conditions it is intended for. Ingredients should be listed with Latin names to maintain consistency and clarity across different regions. Caution notes are important as well. They alert users to any potential risks or precautions they need to be aware of. The manufacturer's license number is a legal requirement, confirming that the product has been approved and meets regulatory standards. Finally, packaging and labeling requirements encompass all the visual and informational standards that ensure the product is safe, reliable, and trustworthy for consumers. In summary, these labeling rules are designed to ensure transparency, safety, and compliance, which are all vital for building consumer confidence and maintaining the integrity of AYUSH products. Let's now look at some crucial safety and compliance requirements. First, we have the Adverse Event Reporting System, specifically for pharmacovigilance related to herbals. It's essential that we have a robust system in place to monitor and report any adverse events. This helps us ensure consumer safety and maintain trust in our products. Next, we need clear procedures for product recalls and handling complaints. When issues arise, acting swiftly to recall products and address complaints is vital to prevent harm and uphold quality standards. Environmental compliance is also a key aspect. This includes proper waste disposal and adhering to pollution control norms. Protecting the environment isn't just a regulatory requirement, it's part of our responsibility as manufacturers committed to sustainability. All these elements, adverse event reporting, recall procedures, and environmental compliance, are interconnected and form the backbone of our safety and compliance framework. They ensure that we deliver safe, effective, and environmentally responsible herbal products. Now, let's talk about the site inspection process conducted by the state AYUSH authorities. During this inspection, they thoroughly verify several critical aspects of the manufacturing facility. This includes examining the GMP, or good manufacturing practices, ensuring that all processes meet strict quality standards. They also review documentation and test reports to confirm compliance and product safety. Additionally, infrastructure is inspected to ensure it supports consistent and quality production. Following this comprehensive review, the authorities may issue important certifications. These include the AYUSH manufacturing license, which authorizes operations, and the AYUSH GMP certificate, confirming adherence to good manufacturing practices. If you're planning to export your products, you might also receive a COPP, or Certificate of Pharmaceutical Product, if requested. This certificate is essential for international trade. Overall, this inspection and certification process is vital for maintaining high standards and building trust in your products, both domestically and internationally. It ensures that your manufacturing facility aligns with regulatory requirements and supports the overall goal of quality assurance in the AYUSH sector. For further support, please don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help you implement these ideas and answer any questions you might have. Thank you so much for your time and attention today. Remember, the resources and contacts provided are available to assist you whenever you need them. Feel free to get in touch if you require additional guidance or clarification. We appreciate your engagement and look forward to supporting your success moving forward.